Well, we're back for a quickie video that might be interesting. Some of you may or may not be aware of the fact that I also make jewellery. And this is a piece that I made for my significant other for a little while ago. And it's an opal triplet on some sterling silver, or rather not sterling, 999 silver bullion, and a sterling silver chain. That I didn't make the chain, but I made this. And this is 925 silver wire banding. This has come in for a cleaning. I thought I'd introduce people to a really nice little product, which is a silver polishing cloth, and give you an idea of what that's like. And I know you've probably come here for Land Rovers or Argo or electronic stuff, but you know what, when you're on my channel, you get a mixed bag of content. You have to deal with it because I'm not here for money or fame. I'm doing this because I want to do it. Anyway, we are going to give this just a very quick rub with a bit of this cloth and show you the comparison in what you can get out of a piece of silver jewelry with a polishing cloth. I've just done that first half of it and we're almost a mirror finish. It's magic stuff. So we can see this one here, we'll give it a good polish on the back, and geez, isn't that better? It's absolute magic stuff. Doesn't take very long at all, and these are cheap, so if you've got anything silver, well worth the effort to polish things up. It can take just a little bit of work to get around all the surfaces, but it starts to look very rapidly very good. I'm going to pause the camera, finish polishing this and show you the end product. Alright, we're finished polishing and we included the chain as well. Now this was never actually quite finished the way I would have liked to do it, but when the missus saw how I was doing it, she said leave some of these scratches in for character. They show that it's handmade. I would have liked to have polished it to a mirror finish. But anyway, it's come up very well. The chain certainly looks a lot better. And for a quick polish, that's not too bad. The back is the same deal here. I would have polished it to a mirror finish, but the recipient elected to keep the inclusions. In any case, it's a nice little piece. And it's a nice little addition to the mixed bag of content you'll see on this channel. So we're going to move on and find something more interesting. But certainly, these are a quality cleaning cloth. I'd certainly recommend them. It's not a product placement, but it is something I personally use a lot. So let's carry on and find something a little more channel specific.